Negril's tourism stakeholders have been getting assurances for years. This evening, the Tourism Enhancement Fund explains what has delayed the development of the Negril Beach Park. Ramarda Lyons reports.
The Negril Beach Park continues to sit in decay, but passing it daily are happy tourists who continue to sing praises about Negril.
So we've been coming here for over a decade now. And every time we leave the property that we're staying at, we've always felt safe.
This is probably our 5th time. Yeah. Just the weather's beautiful. The people are friendly. It's just enjoyable.
We always feel safe when we're here. We've been coming here for years.
Pansy Rayson, a hotelier in the industry for 22 years, says this doesn't mean there aren't any issues.
Tourists will come, they overlook certain things, but they still talk about it. They would love to see Negril looking like a first world resort. Even though we're not first world, but we can be a first world resort. Based on what we have. We have the sun, the sea, the sand. So let's utilize all those resources and make it one big melting pot of everything that supports the community along with the visitors.
President of the Negril Chamber of Commerce, Damian Salmon, agrees.
Yes, it's probably true that many tourists don't see what we see because A, we're here all the time, and B, we have some level of responsibility for to be able to provide to the tourists infrastructure, the clean and safe surroundings, and all those things that to a certain degree that the tourists would take for granted in that sort of sense.
The Tourism Enhancement Fund is a statutory body in Jamaica set to support, improve and sustain the tourism sector. It operates under the Ministry of Tourism. I met with Dr. Kerry Wallace, the Executive Director. He notes that there were discussions about the beach park prior to 2017 when he assumed the role.
I believe in the previous administration there were several designs and there were disputes from the locals about which one they prefer and so on, and so it kind of went back to the drawing board, which is how we found that project.
William Vassell has been operating his business in Negril for 37 years. He says the pace of work in the town is killing the interest of potential workers.
To come to work so hard in the system, where sometimes getting home is impossible. The infrastructure has not been improved. So as a result of that, a lot of young people maybe don't want to gear towards the system. For us, who is you'd say veteran in the business, we understand.
So what's causing the delays at the beach park?
It's a variety of things. I mean, we've had COVID in a way, we've had Melissa as well too, of course. I mean, our focus at TEF now has been so much on getting the industry back on its feet. And we're not just talking the hotels and attractions, we're talking about the people.
He argues that it's public procurement, which is often a prolonged administrative process. Now this means...
You know, it's not like a private sector where you just have the money and you can just hire a contractor and go ahead. We have to go through a lengthier process. So I just hope that everybody can understand, you know, what we have to do.
What assurances can you give, though, that it's not just a pipe dream? And if possible, what timeline can we look at, like next 5 years, next 10 years?
I would say we're likely to complete the designs because, of course, we have to do it in conjunction with the stakeholders. It's not that we're going to stay in Kingston and just design it out and then come and start build. We have to do drawings, do concepts, from concepts to drawings and so on, and then come and show our stakeholders in Negril. So in terms of when, I would say we'll be able to have some stakeholder meetings in this financial year coming, and we should be able to get to works contracts by the following financial year, if everything goes well.
Tomorrow, we hear about other issues in Negril. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.